Alright, so this is RipTide. I cannot get front row on this for crying out loud. Like, they won't let you wait for... I can't wait for the front row. And I got second to front row the last ride. And now this ride, I'm getting back row. So I guess I'll have to deal with back row. It's overall, though, it's a smooth ride, so I'm not mad about it. Alright, here we go. Oh man, this is gonna feel really weird in the back row. Alright guys, here we go. This thing might yank us. Oh crap. Oh! Oh! Wow. It's crazy smooth though, that's what's so weird. Woo-hoo-hoo! Airtime! Okay! Wow. Trim it up, trim it up. Okay. It's a solid coaster. The ending was probably the weirdest ending we've seen. But yeah.
Been friends since 1995.